Good morning, my little star. How are you all? I hope you and your family are happy and healthy. And welcome to online video session. I am your science teacher, Miss Beauty. Now, student, today we are going to learn about some activity which is related to your chapter number 3rd. Okay. As you know that today date is 14th July 2020 and which session is going? Yes, it is science video session. So class, and we are in which chapter? Yes, I am listening that you all are saying that ma'am, this is chapter number 3rd. As you know that we already completed all the topic related to this chapter, that is chapter number 3rd, adaptation in animal, and we completed all the book exercises and question answer all. Yes, I hope you all are completed your question answer in your notebook, and some are also sending me mail in which you have completed your chapter. I am very happy that you are so sincere. Class 4, you just completed all the chapter back to back. So this will help you in your exam. So come on the topic that today we are going to do some activity which is related to chapter number 3rd, and it is on the page number 34. Just open your page number 34. Today I will explain you that how you will do this activity. After that there is a life skill also. I will explain about life skill also. But before starting session, as you know that what we do? Yes, sentence of the day. First we will do sentence of the day. After that we will come on our video topic. What is that? That is activity. And after sentence of the day we will do activity. So let's start our day with the sentence of the day. So class, this is your sentence of the day. Don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Again I am repeating. Don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Okay class. So don't be shy for asking anything. You want something to ask, just ask. If you feel shy, if you are afraid while asking any question, any doubt, so how you will got your answer? So this is your sentence of the day. So class 4, let's start this session. Yes, and in this session what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to do activity, that is on page number 34, and in this activity we are going to make a giant ladybird. And what is ladybird? Yes, the ladybird is the name of an insect which is in color of red and black. Yes. So in this activity material required. For this activity some material is required for this activity. And what is that? You need some newspaper. Okay. All you are having this newspaper at your home, the old newspaper. Okay. And glue for stick. Okay. And another is a balloon, red color. Okay. And some black paint also. These all are the material for your activity. Let's start this activity. Now, material required for this activity is newspaper, balloon, gum, glue, Fevicol or anything you have at your home. Okay, and some water. After that you will just cut the piece of paper and paste like this. Cover the round balloon with the paper match. Paper match means with the help of paper, glue and water. Okay, you will cover all the balloon surface with the help of newspaper and leave it dry overnight. Okay class? Now then cut the half shape of balloon. After leave it. See, this is your balloon which is totally covered by paper. Okay. Now after cutting the balloon, you have to color this half shape of balloon like a ladybird. With the help of paint, you will color the shape of this half balloon with the help of paint. Just mark head, wings and the black dot on the surface of balloon. Now, your ladybird is ready. Look how your ladybird looks. With the help of balloon, newspaper and some color, we made a ladybird. So I hope you will do this activity. Practically, I show you all the things which is required for this activity and how you will do activity. Cover a round balloon with the paper matches. What is paper match? A mixture of paper, water and glue. Leave it to dry overnight and then cut the balloon in the shape of half. Okay, student? You have to leave that balloon for overnight, and after that when it is totally dry, then cut the balloon shape in half. Mark your ladybird head, thorax and wings cases and then paint it with the bright color. And you all know the color of ladybird as shown in the picture also. Use one of the picture to help you. See, there is a picture of ladybird that will help you to color. After that, sellotape on the some pipe cleaner as it make leg. You can also use the other half of your balloon to make a other insect just like beetles and woodlouse. By using the same method and the different shape balloon, you can make all sort of model of mini beads. Okay, student? So, just like this method, you can make another insect with the help of newspaper, glue, balloon and paint. Okay, student? So, this is your activity which is very interesting and very creativity. So you will do this activity that will help you to learn about insect. So student, with the help of newspaper, glue and balloon, we made a ladybird. Okay, now shall we come up next, that is a life skill. After this activity, we will do life skill. Now, what is life skill? In life skill, a number of insects found in our surrounding including butterfly, grasshopper, praying mantis, ladybirds, bedbug. Okay, so many insects found in your surrounding, at your home also. What to do? These directly or indirectly influence the environment. That is, it is an important part of our environment. No, what to do? Do you know the harm such insect? You have to take the statement which you agree. Catch the insect as many as possible. So, it is correct statement that you have to catch the insect as many as you possible? No. When you are going to catch the insect, it may hurt you, it may harm you. Okay, so don't do this. This is a wrong statement. Come on, the next one. Switch off the light when you want to remove the insect. So it is possible that when you are going to switch off the light, insect will remove? No. Now the third one. Open the window and door so that the insect can fly. So this statement is correct. When you have seen some insect at your environment, at your home, what to do? Just open the window and door so that the insect can fly away. Okay, so this statement is correct. So you have to tick on this. Okay, student. So this is your life skill activity, and what to do next? You have to revise your all the important point of chapter number 3, learn the book exercises and do the activity. You have to do the activity also. So I am waiting for that when you are going to do activity, you will get more knowledge about insect. Now class, this is your homework time. Today date is 14 July 2020, class 4th. What is your science homework? So students have to complete chapter number 3, keyword question answer, and you will do the activity that is on the page number 34, which I have already completed today. You have to do this activity. Okay student, in your notebook, you have to write keyword, question answer and activity in your notebook. Okay student, so complete your work on time. Thank you.